So right in front of me, I have steering wheels of all Porsche 911s from the 997 to the 992. Hi, I'm Ryan from CarsAddiction.com, and today we're going to review steering wheels from the 997 to the 992. We have all the Porsche steering wheels from the 997 till the 9992. Now, the 997.1, when it was first released, it came out with this triangle format airbag. That was for the first generation of 997, and there's no need to ask the question. It won't match any other steering wheel because all of them take a round airbag. So that's very unique to that. And yeah, you could either have the blanks over here, multifunction, but this steering wheel is only for Triptronic because PDK would have been introduced in the 997.2. Again, this can have multifunction. The PDK selector over here is with a push button, I believe. And the airbag again is very unique to this. It's actually, the diameter is very larger than the steering wheel, the later one. So if you're going to be upgrading from this to the 991.2 steering wheel, you need an airbag. Now this layout of steering wheel was available in the 991.1. Jumping to the 991.2, we see a redesign of the steering wheel design. The multifunction controls can be distinguishable from previous versions, right, like that. And we could see that the chrome surrounding and airbag unit is different. Now, ignore that this is carbon fiber. You could have leather, Alcantara, whatnot. And this was available for the 991.2 only as a 911, but you could find them in Panameras, Macans, and Cayennes and whatnot. So that's a very common steering wheel. Now, I'd like to also point that the hub, the mounting point of each steering wheel can fit onto a 997, 991, and 992. They all can mount onto the car. It's getting the multifunction to work on them is the issue, and in some cases with the 997.1, the clock spring, you need to find an adapter. This brings us to the latest steering wheel found on 911s of the 992. You can easily distinguish them by the floating multifunction. Now, the airbag is the same diameter right over here, but it does not fit because the pins behind the airbag do not align to that. The mounting point is very different and that won't work. So each steering wheel takes a unique airbag. So if you have any of these steering wheels and you need to upgrade to one of them, you need to get a different airbag appropriate to the wheel. Now, like I said, this actually 992 wheel will fit into a 997, replacing this. But the issue over here is the connector up here. That would need to change in order to house the airbag electronics to work. Now, the multifunction is another sort of issue on its own. You need to get an adapter and all that to make it work. Same thing with this. If you're going to upgrade to that, you need a different adapter and all that. And this is what we've done for a 997. We had the steering wheel, we updated to this one, and I'll provide a description, the link below, to see how we done that. Now, we were about to actually upgrade to the 992.1 wheel, but it does mount, but we had to have lost the, multifunction, and we'll need to get to the expense of getting a new airbag because that doesn't match into that one. As you can see, those connectors for the airbag, which are these two yellow ones here, are exactly the same as these ones over here. And they're actually the same as well for this 997.2 wheel. So the connections are same, but unfortunately the airbag, so this one's from the 997.1, won't fit into the Taycan wheel or 992 wheel. As a diameter fits, it's just it doesn't align into the holes right over there. These pins right here. Now, the problem with each and every wheel, you have a control unit that won't match your car's unit, so you need like an in-between unit to control everything. We've done this with the 991.2 wheel onto the 997.2. We added a additional electronic units behind this felt over here. How we did it, I'll provide a link in the description below, and it works perfectly. I think it's about time that they'll do a sort of something similar with this, because the hub of this brand new wheel is exactly the same as the other old wheels. So the issue of fitting this steering wheel into an older car would be the electronics, getting an adapter or something to make everything work. Now, the Porsche Taycan wheel, or the Porsche 992 wheel, is very nice. You can get different trim colors in this inner piece over here. And the airbag, which is very similar to this, I'm just disappointed that this doesn't fit, is you can get this trim color matching over here, which is nice. Now, I really do like the latest wheel because you have this bit coming outwards to you, and the buttons do feel more robust, and the scroller. Whereas this, they feel a bit plasticky. You can feel the difference there. That is more robust. I like the design as well. It's a pity that this would need some more work than this one, but I'm really happy with this. And that's an overview of the steering wheels from the Porsche 997 to the 992, and hope it answers anyone who has questions on the interchangeability between each steering wheel and the airbags. I'm going to repeat, the airbags do not interchange. You need to buy the airbag for each specific steering wheel design, but the steering wheel does mount into each car, so you could get the 997 wheel technically into a 992 if you'd like. Obviously the electronics won't work. You'd have to do an adapter as with every steering wheel, and we've proven that between these two steering wheels. Hope this was very useful. If you like it, please like this video, subscribe, and take care.